Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I will talk about the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. So if you like the video related to turtle health, I would like to request you all please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's start. The Smoothie Diet is the ultimate program for getting the right smoothies into your day to begin transforming your life, health and body. It's a 21-day online program that gives you all the recipes, drink schedules, healthy eating guides and more to take your smoothies to the next level. But don't be mistaken. What you learn in this program is not a juicing or a smoothie fat diet. Smoothies should never be used as replacement for the 3 meals of the day. This is something you commonly see in other programs, and although smoothies do help you consume the daily recommended amount of fruits and vegetables needed for optimal health, they shouldn't be replacing all of your breakfast, snacks, lunch and dinner. Instead, this program is all about achieving optimal health and weight loss with smoothies by getting nutritious and delicious drinks into your day to complement the food you are eating. This is key because to lose sustainable weight and to transform your health, you need something you can continue with. Drinking smoothies for the rest of your life just doesn't seem idle. So if you are ready to start blending up some nutritious drinks at the best times throughout the day to reach your goals, here's what you can expect from the Smoothie Diet. So now, what is the Smoothie Diet? There is no secret to losing weight. There is no magic option, pill or smoothie either. Instead, it's all about adapting to a regime that you can continue with moving forward to keep the result coming. Unfortunately, most diets make it incredibly difficult to stick with. Not only that, but many are unhealthy to do on a long-term basis. As a result, you experience weight loss while doing the program, but as soon as you stop, the weight comes back on. The Smoothie Diet is an excellent option that teaches you how to add the right smoothies into your day to complement the food you are eating and activities you are doing. It is not a smoothie diet, but rather a guide to using smoothies to achieve the goal you want. It's an online 21-day program that provides you with everything you need to know about using and drinking smoothies to bring you closer to your health and weight loss. However, it is not just a smoothie recipe book. The Smoothie Diet is a comprehensive guide that teaches you what smoothies to drink, when to drink them for optimal result, the best smoothies for different activities and much more. I'll dip into the details in just a moment, but for now, here's a quick look at what you get. The main guide, smoothie schedule, shopping list, recipe card, daily journal, healthy eating guide, workout plan, diabetes friendly recipes, gluten-free recipes, smoothie for kids. As you can see, that's a whole lot more than just smoothies. This program has you covered with recipes, schedules, pre-made grocery shopping list, recipe card, workout plan, healthy eating guides and more. There are recipes for every taste and preference you can imagine. And the program even comes with kid-friendly and gluten-free options. You can start right away, as well as the program is digital, meaning you receive immediate access and can download the content right onto your laptop, smartphone, tablet or desktop computer. This makes it even easier to follow, as everything you need, from the grocery shopping list to the recipes, are at your fingertips whenever and wherever you go. It sure beats lugging around a massive recipe book. Now, if you are not a smoothie drinker or have tried similar programs but didn't get the result you want, you can try this one out risk-free for 2 months with a 60-day money-back guarantee. This is ample time to see how following a strategic smoothie plan can bring you closer to your health, fitness and weight loss goals. Our verdict: the Smoothie Diet is an easy, nutritious and delicious way to get the right smoothies into your day to begin transforming your health and body. It has recipes for every taste bud and preference, and even comes with gluten-free and kid-friendly options. Since the program is not designed to replace food, it can be used by anyone looking to feed their body what it needs to achieve optimal health and safe, sustainable weight loss. You can even give it a try to risk-free for 2 months with the 60-day money-back guarantee. So why not see how sipping on the right smoothies can bring you closer to your healthy and fitness goals. You have nothing to lose, and at the very least you learn some new recipes that make it easy and delicious to get all kinds of fruits and vegetables into your diet. So that's all in this video. I hope you got it what I'm trying to explain you about the smoothie diet. So I would like to request you all, please go back to the same video again, listen to the video again. If you have any sort of questions coming onto your mind, feel free to reach me on any of my portals like Facebook, Instagram, and many more. All the links shared in the description box below, or else you can talk to me directly as well. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, please do like, share and subscribe this video with your loved ones. Till then, have a lovely time with your loved ones. God bless you all. Take